I'll just confess what's really going on in my mind. I'm in mourning. And I'm in mourning because I started as a programmer when I was basically 13 or 14. And that is essentially over.
Mourning, not disruption, not transformation, mourning. He was talking about programming. The thing is done since he was 13 years old. And he said that is essentially over. If you write code for a living or you're studying to, listen up. Because what he described is more specific and more uncomfortable than the usual AI hype. Here is the picture Smith painted from the stage. A programmer walks into the office, spins up 10 Claude instances, gives each one an objective. Here is what I want, here is how you know it's done, and goes to lunch. Make sure the tasks are long enough that the AIs keep working while he eats. Come back, checks the work, sets up overnight runs, then goes home. He dated the shift October 2024 and he said this.
And if you're writing code in any traditional way, stop, right? It's over. And go, and if you manage a company and you have software programmers say, why are you still writing code the way you did it 6 months ago?
If you manage a company and you have software programmers, ask why they are still writing code the way they did 6 months ago. Easy, right? Directionally, yes. Talk to anyone shipping production code in 2026. The workflow is describing isn't science fiction, it's Tuesday. But it's over is doing a lot of work in that sentence. What is over is typing function one keystroke at a time. What is not over is understanding systems. Someone has to write the objective. Someone has to catch the AI when it's confidently wrong, which it still is, constantly. Smith even contradicts himself a minute later. He says the new skill is becoming the architect instead of the builder. So, which is programming over or did it just move up a level? Because those are very different claims, and he made both inside 90 seconds. And here's the part that actually bothers me. At the end of the talk, someone asked him, what should we teach kids? Smith, the same guy who just buried his life career, says every university should require a freshman class on AI tools. Push it into high schools. Train them for what? If entry-level coding jobs are the thing AI eats first, and he says this explicitly, he says it's harder for young software people to get hired right now. What is the ladder for these 18 years old are climbing? He gestured at it. He says the top 1% of programmers will earn like NBA stars. Great. What about the other 99%? His answer? Word for word.
I don't spend my time worrying about this question.
That is the line. Remember it from the guy who just used the word mourning about his own career. Here's what's underneath all of this. Software engineering has been for 30 years the most reliable ladder into the American middle class that doesn't need a license or a pedigree. Weird kid, small town, laptop, internet. If you were good, you made it. The ladder is actually real. Smith is describing calmly from the stage the partial dismantling of that ladder. Fewer jobs, value concentrated at the very top, like pro sports. That deserve more than I don't spend my time worrying about it. Programming didn't end itself. Eric, you and your peers built the thing that ended it. You're also building the data centers, raising the capital, designing the curriculum that responds to it. There is no neutral observer here. If you're an engineer, does October 2024 match what you're saying? Drop it in the comments. And if you're a CS student wondering if you should bail, I don't think you should. But the question you should be asking your professor loudly is, what are you actually preparing me for? If they can't answer that in 2026, that is information. I'm Troy, and thanks for watching.